Hey guys, Francis here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make between $5 to $18 per hour searching Google. Okay, and this is considered an active income because you have to sit down and be working on it every single time. All right. Now, in my previous video, Victor actually commented. Victor Jetron. He said I was putting my face cap like this. I shouldn't wear face cap inside. I just kind of like putting this on. Though sometimes I don't. But Victor, hope it's cool like this. Hope you don't laugh at me again in the comments. All right, so in this video we're going to be sharing this cool method you can use. Okay, this particular website you can use to make between $5 to $18 per hour. Okay, and it is easy to do. All you have to do is to get questions from the website and answer look for the answers on Google and submit it back to them, and you're making money. Okay, that is how this works basically. Now, if this is your first time watching my video or stopping by, my name is Francis Abogonye. I make entrepreneurship videos, I do make money online methods, and I document my journey on this YouTube channel. So I invite you to subscribe and take the little bell notification icon so I will notify you anytime I put out making money online videos on YouTube, so you don't miss out on anything. And let me know in the comments how much you would like to make every single day, so I can make a video tailored to your goals. Okay, tailored to how much you want to make online every single day. All right, and if you find any value in this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate your support. It is highly appreciated. Now let's dive right to my computer and I'll be sharing with you guys how you can do this with ease. Now, the first thing you want to do is to come to this website called Ask Wonder. Okay, this is how the website looks like. All right, this is the website we're going to be talking about today, and what you can basically do with this website is to perform certain tasks, and you get paid doing those tasks. All right, now this website, they're actually good with research. You can see they do great research and all that here, and you can, when we scroll down, you can see some of the companies they've actually worked with, or some of the companies they are working with. All right, some of the big names you know right here. You can see Autodex right here, Johnson and Johnson's, you can see Shell right here, P&G, you can see HP, Bloomberg. All right, some of the big brands you already know that these are the companies they work with, or these are the companies you'll be helping to perform certain tasks. All right, now when how this works is just you answering basic questions. Okay, helping them answer basic questions, simple basic questions that can help expand your knowledge also. Okay, more of like and how this can be done is you can just come to askwonder.com. okay, once you're part of them, once you're signed in, these are the kind of questions you'll be answering, and to answer some of these questions you can just copy some of them and put them in Google. All right, just copy some of the questions here, go over to Google and just paste in the questions. All right, and Google will do all the answering for you. There are a bunch of answers on Google, so you don't have to worry yourself about some of these answers right here, because Google already have them. You don't have to start thinking, where can I find the answers, or how can I answer certain questions on this platform. All right, so all you're basically doing is just researching using search engines. All right, and Google is one good place where you can find a lot of answers you're looking for. So this is a very, very cool platform, and to get started with this and to make money with this, after applying, all right, you'll be taken to this page right here where you can see whether you want to become a sourcer or you want to become a researcher. But first off, to get started with the platform, all right, you come down here. When you navigate your way down to this section here, you will see where they say apply here. So when you click on apply here, you'll be taken to this page, all right, where you can join. Now you can see what they're saying right here, earn. You can earn money using your brain. Now you're just working actively on what you already know, or information you can actually find on Google. All right, that is what you can earn money with. All right, and you can work when you want. You can set your own schedule, and which is actually cool. You can do this as a full-time or as a part-time job. Maybe you can get started as a part-time job, add this as a side hustle, and start earning money as you go. Now you learn and expand your resume and expand your mind. You get to educate yourself also with this platform right here. So this is a very, very cool platform. I actually went through the sign-up process, which is not that hard. It is very simple, and they work with people. They work with everybody. All right, they work with different countries, and you can come right here to sign up, unlike some other platforms that don't actually work with some certain regions, but this work with almost everywhere in the world except some certain areas in the United States. All right, so it's very, very simple. When you come to this section right here, just fill in your information and click start application, which will be taken to this page right here, where when you're getting started, you have to select either you want to become a sourcer or a researcher. Now in becoming a sourcer, you are you're just going to be having fun in exciting topics. All right, you're just going to be providing information in certain exciting topics. You're just sourcing for information for them, and as a researcher, this is a little bit more advanced. That's why you can see the price ranges here. Okay, to become a sourcer, you earn between $5 to $8 per hour on average. To become a researcher, you're going to be earning between $5 to $18 per hour on average. Okay, and to get started is after filling your application right here, you'll be taken to this page. Then you click on the one you want to get started with. When you click on become a researcher, which is the highest one, where you can be paid between $15 to $18 per hour, you'll be taken to a type form page, all right, where they will ask you certain questions just to test out your education level, okay, and to ask you certain questions to see how you can answer some questions right there. Now that will be in 3 different phases, all right. Phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Okay, the type form comes with the questions comes in form of a survey where you just answer them, and they're not that hard. Okay, all you just have to do is to take a look at them properly, and any question you don't understand very well, you can actually search that on Google, and it's more of like writing an exam. Okay, if you remember back in the day when we were in school, how we mostly write exams, all right, but these questions are something you can answer, all right, they're not that difficult. And in the 3rd phase, all right, when you can qualify through the 3rd phase, you meet the requirements they actually want, you can stand the chance to win $50, okay, after going through this application process. So that is basically how this works. All right, so guys, just come to askwonder.com. okay, this is the website URL right here. Come to askwonder.com and create an account and start seeing how you can earn an extra cash just performing basic tasks online. Now, if you don't have the time to be doing this, you can actually hire a virtual assistant. You can go to freelance websites, or you can go to some of these Philippine websites where they hire virtual staffs, like this website called virtualstaff.ph. okay, it's a Philippine site where you find a lot of Filipinos, all right, that are actually educated, and they know a lot about they're highly educated, and they can answer some of these questions and can help you with this task. If you don't want to be working on this on your own all day, you can hire them to help you perform some of these tasks, and all you can do is to review what they've done and submit the tasks. All right, so that's basically how you can work on this. Okay, if you want to do it the smart way, you can hire people to help you do it, but if you want to do it yourself, you can actually come and sign up and start performing some of these tasks yourself. So this is how this website works. All right, and you can be paid through PayPal, and that's how you actually earn money from this website. You can be paid through your PayPal account, and that's basically it. All right, so guys, head over to this website and create your account. All right, now in the comment section, I would like to know your goals on how much you like to make daily, so I can make videos, okay, to help with those goals. All right, if you want to be making an extra side income, if you want to be making a full-time income online, just let me know that in the comments of this video so I can make videos, okay, to help you out. All right, now if you find any value in this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it a lot. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the red subscribe button and tick the little bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I come up with new videos. With that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.